The dog and his bone. A dog was waiting outside the butcher's shop one day, as he often did, looking a hang-dog and as sad as he could. As usual, the butcher soon saw him and took pity on him and threw him a bone. Off the dog trotted, as happy as could be, his tail wagging, and he went thinking where he would bury his bone and how good it would taste in a week or two. As he neared his home, he had to cross a little footbridge over the stream. He was panting across, and he stopped to look down at the water because he was rather thirsty.
He was trying to work out how he could keep hold of the bone in his mouth and have a drink at the same time, when he noticed another dog gazing back up at him out of the water, a bigger dog who had a very much bigger bone in his mouth than he had. That's not fair, he thought. His bone's bigger. That's mine. I want it.
With that, he jumped into the river and made a grab for the other dog's bone. But to that he had to drop his own first. Only then, as he saw, his bone sank to the bottom of the river and realized the mistake he had made. How silly he had been. Then had been no other dog in the other bone, only his reflection in the water.
He clambered out of the river and shook himself dry. And he walked off home, his tail between his legs, feeling very stupid and very cross with himself. The moral is, enough is a good as a feast. Don't be greedy.